Hi, I'm Janice. I started the video and then I lost the video, but I had just opened the box. It's come from Florida, Miami Gardens, Florida. And so it's a hunter grab box. It's a big box, 10 pounds. So let's go through the jewelry and see what I have. First off is this big hoop earring, gold tone. It's pretty heavy. Anyway, I'll put the earrings off to the side for now. Hopefully we have matches. What's this? Sea Treasures. 12-inch strand. Oh, this is pretty. This looks like when you purchase a strand of beads. That's nice. It's painted shells. Nice. Yeah, it's a strand of beads. And let's see. This is faux pearls, which looks like they got yucky. I don't know if it looks like some of their coating came off. I don't know if they're glass. They feel kind of heavy, but maybe if I clean them up, it doesn't have a clasp or anything. Maybe if I clean them up, they'll look better, or I could use the glass beads. Okay. I'm thinking that there's going to be a lot of tangles in this box, so there's going to be more than one video, I'm sure. And what's this all about? Is this earrings? Yeah. Kind of like Halloween earrings, it looks like. And this is an earring stuck. Let's see what's going on here. These are yucky. These beads are faceted, they're plastic, but it looks like they've been, you know, I don't know if they just need to be cleaned, or these look like they've lost their painting on it. They're plastic. But, yeah. Okay. What else do we have here? This is a chain and a pearl necklace. Or is this for glasses, to hold your glasses? Looks like this was meant to hold your glasses around your neck or something. Let's see. Yeah, because it has these things on it. So this is a pearl and gold tone chain to hold your glasses. And this necklace, doesn't have a clasp. Doesn't seem like it does. And this is all tangled in it. So okay. So this is interesting. There's no clasp to it. Somebody added extensions or something, but no clasp. It's these are plastic. These are plastic beads. Seems like they've been through something horrible too. The paint is off. So, there you go. Here is, oh, it's got a little medallion on it. This stretch bracelet needs a lot of help. These are just plastic beads. Okay, here's an earring that somebody made. It's cute. And here, this looks like a belly button. A belly button ring. And this is a broken necklace. This probably could use the stones from it or something. And here is, this one's a pretty necklace. It's a plastic faceted stone inside this silver tone frame pendant with this heavy duty silver tone chain. It's got a lot of silver tone loss, but it's pretty nonetheless. It's a pretty necklace. And this one it's got an inlay of a shell, and is that supposed to be like a hand with a silver tone chain? It's pretty.